we're going to be making sausage rolls, specially requested by Joseph Goddard. Okay, so first you'll need some egg yolks that are mixed very well, and you'll need a cooking paintbrush. If you don't, you can just buy a normal paintbrush. Don't use it. Don't get one from that's already been used. And here's some sesame seeds. Here's some puff pastry, and here's half a pack of sausages. Okay, first you need to make this recipe is you need your sausages, because in this recipe you'll need 3.5 sausages. So let me start with the first one. And you can't just put them in the thing straight away. You have to get all the skin off, because the skin is you're not really allowed to eat. Now you put your first one on here, but not too far for the edge, because you'll need that in a second. Okay, this is very easy to make. But when you're doing this, and when you cut your last sausage on here, don't do it on your mum's worktop. So, I've peeled all the skin of my sausages, so now let me start doing it. But you have to make sure they're stuck together. Just gonna get my knife. Okay, so now you will need your egg yolks. So first you'll need to get your egg white, wipe it off, and then start pressing. Make sure your sausages are all in line before you do this. Okay, I'm just making sure my sausages are all in line. Okay. Why we're adding egg yolks is because we need it to make it look golden brown. Okay, so you might need to go like this, then do this way. But I'm going to just start off by doing this, and then I'm going to start doing the first bit. Because this sausage roll doesn't taste that nice without the egg yolks. But it doesn't really work as if without the egg yolks. Okay, so now you are going to roll your sausage roll. Okay, so you need to go like this. So you might want to start in the middle, not the top or the bottom. Okay, so now you've got your sausage roll. You are going to cut it. So you don't have to do this, but you have to do it the exact same. So we're going to do that. Okay, so here's my first one. Now, you don't have to do this, but this is an easier way to do it than using like a tape measure or something. But try not to cut it when you're doing it. Okay. Just gonna put them to the side. And this sausages don't look that nice without the cooked stuff. And these sausages will look way better with the sausage, when it's cooked and stuff. Okay, so now we're going to cut these in just 3 little lines, not all the way, just a little bit. So now we are going to, after I finish doing this, I've only got my last one to do. We are going to put some egg yolk on top of them to make them nicely golden brown. So they're nicely golden brown inside as well, but it's going to make it taste way better. Okay, after you've done the top layer, you're going to do the bottom on the other side. But if you don't want yours to look golden brown, you don't have to use egg yolk. But I'm doing it because it makes it taste way better. Okay, that's my next side. But then after you've done the bottom side, you're going to do that. Okay, so now you are going to get some sesame seeds and sprinkle them on top. Well, you don't have to use sesame seeds, but it tastes better. I'm just going to sprinkle a pinch on each one. But if you put too much in your fingers, just squirt it all over. And this recipe is amazing. My mum first taught me this and then I made it. And it was absolutely gorgeous. So now we are going to get your baking tray. I'm going to show you what I've got for my baking tray. So now you are going to get the sheet you were doing it on and put it inside. And just if you want, you were wondering where I got your puff pastry from. It was from Aldi. We don't want them to be too close, but they can be a bit close, but not very close. Okay, just going to put mine to the side a bit. Okay, so now you're going to put it in the oven for 190 for 25 minutes. So, while we're waiting for the sausage rolls, I'm going to be singing a song that I was doing in school. I'm doing Three Kings as well. But I'm doing Mary's Boy Channel as well, because we're learning about Mary. Why not give it a go? A long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible said, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new king was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. While shepherds watch their flocks by night in a stable far in north. They see a choir sing the music, it seems to come from afar. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a new king was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Because of Christmas Day. Okay, so now my sausage rolls are ready. I'm going to be getting them out. And you might want to ask your mum or dad to get them out because it's very hot, because I just touched it and it was absolutely boiling. And if you want to have a shout out in the next week video or want them to make you your food, then you have to say it on the website. And on the website, say if you like my song. And if I know for sure, I think Arabella's going to be the next person to do it, because it's already been Joe and they've already been shouted out in this show. Okay, when I've I've been doing this. I've been thinking, if you've watched Lad Baby, I know a song from there, and me and Joe know it very well, don't we, Joe? It goes like this. I love sausage rolls. Put it in the oven for Lad Baby. But that doesn't matter because Jesus is the reason for this